In this video, I will show you how to change the music length on Instagram post. First, open the Instagram app, then tap on the plus icon to create a new post. Select photo or video you want to upload, then tap on next. Tap next again to reach the screen where you can add caption and other post details. Next, tap on add music and choose a song from your Instagram's music library. After selecting a song, tap on the duration option, which is usually set to 30 seconds by default. You can then adjust the music length anywhere from 5 seconds to 90 seconds depending on the track. Once you've selected your preferred duration, tap on done to save your changes. If you're posting a photo, the music will play for selected duration. If you're posting a video, the music can continue playing throughout the video depending on the video's length and duration you choose. Finally, finish editing your post and tap on share to publish it. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.